This is our project kit. Here you can see a solar panel which is connected to the multi-port cup converter. This converter is made up of inductor each of 1 millihenry, capacitor 22 microfarad, 47 microfarad, 10 microfarad diode, MOSFET and 2 resistive load, R1 load and R2 load. We have already seen the diagram in the mode of operation, and you can see that the MOSFET is connected to the controller to trigger pulses. This is crystal oscillator to generate frequency, and this is 7805 regulator, and this one is bridge rectifier. When the light falls on the solar panel, it transmits the DC source to the multi-port cup converter. In general, the MOSFET works as a switch. To make switch on, we have to trigger pulses. For that, first we are using the step-down transformer to step down the voltage from 230 volt to 12 volt. Through this transformer, input supply is given to the controller. The controller will operate at 10 volt to 17 volt, and it will be supplying 12 volt in general. With the help of 7805 regulator, 12 volt is converted to 5 volt. And with the help of bridge rectifier, AC is converted to DC. So our input voltage is around 5 volt to 6 volt. The controller is connected to the driver circuit, which can be used to isolate and amplify the input signal. Now the 5 volt supply is given to the multi-port cup converter to make the MOSFET turned on. As we said before, it undergoes 4 mode of operation and then changes both loads, R1 load and R2 load simultaneously. R2 load will have output voltage of around 27 volt and R1 load will have output voltage of around 9 to 10 volt. Now case 2, when the solar supply is interrupted or when there is no solar supply, the power which is already stored in the R1 load is discharged and moves to the R2 load. So the output voltage of R2 load will be around 20 volt and output voltage of R1 load will be around 12 volt. This is how our project kit works. Thank you.